Hello, I'm Samantha DeMarco and here is a presentation on the A-Level Textiles course here at Ysgol Maes y Gwendraeth. As you can see, there are 3 units to study over the 2 years. In Year 12, you will complete Unit 1, a Personal Creative Inquiry, which is a non-examination assessment and 40% of the A-Level qualification. In the second year of the course, you will complete Unit 2, which is a personal investigation, and again is a non-examination assessment and counts as 36% of the qualification. Unit 3 is an externally set assignment, again non-examination, and accounts for 24% of the qualification. Why study textiles? Pupils have the opportunity to develop a variety of skills within these possible areas of study, namely fashion, costume, digitally or traditionally printed and/or dyed fabrics, garments and materials, interior design, constructed textiles, knitted, woven, embellished or combined with other materials, textile installation and accessories. All units are assessed under 4 assessment objectives. Assessment Objective 1 is to develop ideas through investigations. AO2 is to explore and select appropriate resources, media, materials, techniques and processes. AO3 is to record ideas, observations and reflect on work and progress. AO4 is to present a personal and meaningful response. Here are some examples of past pupils' work. Coursework will be presented in sketchbooks. Pupils will have the opportunity to be creative and present the work in their own style. There will be research tasks where pupils will learn about traditional and contemporary artists and fashion designers and then use the knowledge to inspire them further. We will introduce a wide range of techniques where pupils will have the opportunity to experiment and create unique samples. We encourage creativity within the work, and it is an opportunity for pupils to be expressive, develop skills, combine techniques to create innovative pieces of work. Pupils will learn traditional and modern techniques such as embroidery. They will learn how to digitally embroider, hand embroidery and freehand embroidery while using the sewing machine. Pupils will have the opportunity to develop their modern digital techniques by using laser cutters and 3D printers. If pupils decide to follow the fashion route, then they will be able to create an innovative outfit and then arrange a photo shoot. We have been very fortunate over the years to have many creative achievements. Each year we've had pupils selected to exhibit their work at the WJEC Innovation Awards exhibition in Cardiff. In addition, we've had successes in the Young Fashion Designer UK competition. The future. What kind of jobs are there in the textile industry? You could become a fashion buyer, fashion designer, costume designer, fashion merchandiser, interior designer, set designer, shoe designer, fashion journalist, fashion stylist, surface pattern designer, to name but a few. Here are some past pupil comments discussing what they went on to do after finishing A-Level Textiles.
Mi nes I astudio lefel A textiliau nôl yn 2015, le ges I amryw o gyfleoedd gwahanol, fel gyrraedd rownd derfynol yn Gwobrau'r Loesed Cybac yng Nghaerdydd, a nath e wir wneud I mi ystyried textiliau ar gyfer gyrfa yn y dyfodol. Es I mlaen ar ôl gadael ysgol I astudio ym Mhrifysgol Swydd Gaerloyw yn Cheltenham, le nes I astudio am 3 blynedd, a nes I astudio pwnc ffasiwn yn benodol, a fues i'n lwcus iawn I gael fy nghasgliad wedi ei ddangos yn New Designers yn Llundain ar ôl graddio. Dwi bellach yn dysgu textiliau a celf yn ysgol uwchradd, ond yn dal I greu hefyd yn an amser sbar.
Helo, enw fi Becca. Nes I astudio textiliau yn 2018. Fi nawr yn astudio Fashion Business yn Prifysgol De Cymru yn Gaerdydd, a ar y funud fi'n cymryd blwyddyn mas I gweithio I cwmni Ralph Lauren.
Yn enw I Sophie Jones, a nes I astudio textilau gyda Mr Marco rhwng 2015 a 2016. Ar ôl gorffen ysgol, ti mlaen I astudio gradd dylunio patrwm arwyneb yn Abertawe, a oedd hwnna'n cynnwys dylunio print I gwisgoedd ffasiwn, I papur y wal, y stationery, a nes I graddio fyna wedyn 2 blynedd yn ôl nawr. A ar ôl graddio, o'n i'n lwcus iawn i cael profiad gwaith gyda Peacocks, a wedyn nath nhw'n ymlaen i cael cynnig swydd gyda nhw. So am blwyddyn wedyn, nes i gweithio gyda Peacocks o ran y tîm dylunio, a nes i creu print so wedi cael ei cynnwys yn y siope, nath Scarlett Moffat o teledu gwisgo nhw o ran marchnata. So, da ni'n annog chi gyd, os chi'n meddwl gwneud Tecstilau Lefel A, newch mae'n profiad gwych.
Here is a short video showing examples of a variety of pupils' work that they have produced over the years. I hope you enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed the presentation, and we will look forward to welcoming you to the department in September. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch.